Do you own a classic American muscle car like a Camaro, a big block Chevelle, or even a Hemi Cuda? And you find yourself in desperate need of a brake upgrade, or even you want to repair your stock brake system so that they're working at their best? Or maybe you've built a resto mod or pro touring type vehicle that has to have better brakes. Maybe you like to take it to an autocross on Friday, take it to the drag strip on Saturday, and then use it around the house for something useful on Sunday. Either way, the Right Stuff Brake Company has exactly what you need. Manufacturing its disc brake conversion kits and brake and fuel lines out of its facility in Ohio, the Right Stuff Brake Company has a full line offering of disc brake conversion kits for early American muscle cars, including Camaros, Novas, Chevelles, and Corvettes, plus so much more. Disc brake conversion kits run the gamut from mild to wild in its offering, and everything from 2-wheel to 4-wheel disc brake kits are available. Options include drilled and slotted rotors, powder-coated calipers, and multiple different color options. And we simplified the disc brake conversion buying process by breaking the kits out from mild to wild and easy-to-understand kits that lets you choose exactly what you need for your project. And as a leading manufacturer of factory-correct brake boosters and master cylinders, the Right Stuff offers you options when it comes to buying your product. Either OEM style, fitment, and look, or aftermarket polished with a smaller diameter booster. Either way, the Right Stuff has you covered. Also manufactured in-house are the Right Stuff's pre-bent lines for brake, fuel, and transmission lines that replace rusty or damaged existing lines. Manufactured from either OEM steel or stainless steel, the Right Stuff brake lines, transmission, and fuel lines are guaranteed to fit the chassis they're designed for, with a leak-free finish and easy-to-install pre-bent configuration. It's a world full of brake lights out there, so the next time you want to stab the loud pedal and grab some gears, make sure that you trust the Right Stuff Brake Company to have the brake components that you need to stop your vehicle.